Life's been crazy. Haven't really felt like posting update videos, but this is the second gy6 scooter we bought since the last update. The first one was black, and I can't get it to even come on with the key. I pulled it apart, so I'm gonna work on that later. But this one I bought for $300 as well, and yeah, it's not starting either. I got new coil, new CDI, new spark plug. It's getting spark, and checked the compression, and I'm getting compression. So next is the fuel line and the carburetor. We'll see how that goes.